Who's got time for the car wash? You busy parents sure don't. What with the constant crumbs that seem to follow your kids around, and you commuters get home late enough. You can't show up at a play date with that mess in the back seat. And all those coffee spills aren't going to clean themselves before you put a business client in your car. The old solution led you to a car wash where you wait in line for who knows how long. Well, not anymore. Get this. Now a phone can wash your car. Yes, it's true. Simply download the Spiffy app to your Apple or Android device. Set up an account to schedule your first service, then we Spiffy and you smile. It's really that simple. All you need to do is select the day and type of service you prefer on our mobile app. We Spiffy. Just give us the keys and we'll take care of the rest. You smile. Check out your car when we're done and you don't pay until you're fully satisfied. It's a convenient and trusted mobile car washing and detailing service at your home or office. You get your car cleaned when and where you want. Our car care professionals, who have all received over 100 hours of training, properly clean and polish your vehicle. They are background checked for your safety and arrive in a fully equipped self-contained vehicle including power and water that is eco-friendly and environmentally compliant. Property managers love us. In fact, we have agreements with most in the area so that washing a car in your office parking lot is no problem. To get started, download our free Spiffy mobile app at getspiffynow.com for the iPhone or for Android phones. Download the free app, sign up today.